Welcome you all to Math Online class.
Welcome.
Okay, Patu. Yes. So, in the last previous class, we were seeing about the patterns, right? Yes, we were seeing the textbook exercise, what is pattern and all, right? Today we are going to see about the workbook. We are going to see workbook. Okay, workbook page number 48. Always, whenever you come to math class, always have your workbook, textbook, and also a practice note along with you. Okay, if you don't have the books, no problem. Okay, we will send you the worksheet and you can do that, right? Okay, so now those who have their workbook can take it out. Yes, you have already understood the concept. What is patterns, right? What is pattern? Pattern means something that repeats over and over again. Where you can see the patterns? You can see the patterns on the wall, on the floor, on the dress, cloths, rangoli. Yes. What in what and all we have seen the patterns? We have seen the patterns in shapes, colors, pictures, numbers, right? Yes, super. Now let's move on to the workbook. Hope you might have turned to the page number 48. Okay, it's worksheet number 2. I hope so I can start the class now, right? Yes? Yes. So let's. Dia has put the kites in her shop in a pattern. So Dia has put the kites in a shop in a pattern. Color the kites to complete the pattern. Okay, so you are going to color the kite according to the pattern how Divya has arranged. Okay, see here in the A, in the first box we have a kite colored with red color on the top left, right? On the second box we have a kite colored with blue color on right hand side, right? Likewise, the pattern repeats in the same color, red, blue, red, blue. Okay, what will be the next? What will be the next? Can I get the answers in the chat box?
Red.
Red, wonderful, yes, superb. So, we have to color it with the red on the left hand side, top, right? Superb, Puri, very good. Okay, what will be the next? Very good, Krishiv. After red comes blue. Very good. Superb. Wonderful, Kanitra. Ojeshwi. Very good. Avanishwar. Superb. Yes, okay. Now let's move on to B. Okay. See here on the top, this is also a kite. It has two different colors. Top triangle has been colored in yellow and the bottom one is colored with blue. Okay, the next box is colored with, on the top it is blue and on the bottom it is yellow. So again the first box repeats over here and the second box repeats to the next box, right? So yellow, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. And what will be the next? Yes, very good. It's yellow and blue. Wonderful, Ojeshwi, Krishiv. I could get many answers in the chat box. Wonderful, Kanitra, Avanishwar. Superb. Very good, very good. Okay, so now in the next box, what will be the answer? The pattern is yellow, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, blue, yellow, yellow, blue, and blue, yellow. Right. Very good, Avanishwar. Superb, Niralaya. Very good. Superb. Okay, so take out your color pencils or crayons and color assets we have given here. Yes? Very good. Samudri? Superb. See here, ma'am has colored with red and the next kite with blue. Likewise, in the B question, I have colored with yellow, blue and blue, yellow. Okay? Yes. Are you all doing along with me? Yes? Take out your colors and fill it up. Super. Hope so. You might have finished till now. Let's move on to the next one. Right? Okay. The same. Oh, okay, Patu. Okay. Once the class gets over also you can do it, Kana. You have understood the concept, right? Okay. You can do one for the example and the next one you can do it once the class gets over. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes? Okay. The same page number, workbook, page number 48, worksheet 2, second exercise. Observe how each of the following pattern is growing and complete it. So they are asking us to observe very carefully and see how the pattern is growing and we have to complete the pattern. Yes, you all know that, right? Pattern means something that repeats over and over again, and pattern can be extended. Patterns can be extended by increasing the numbers. Yes, we have read this one previous class, right? Yes. So we are going to observe how this pattern is growing and we are going to increase the numbers and we are going to complete the pattern. Shall we do it? Yes. So see in the A question, the first box we have one petal, right? One petal. In the second box we have 1, 2. So it's growing. Okay, see here 1, 1, 2. In the third box we have 1, 2, 3. In the fourth box 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's growing, right? Can you see the difference? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the next? Yes, Avanishwar, very good. It is 5 and 6. So in the next box, we have to draw with the 5 petals, and the sixth box, we have to draw with the 6 petals. Right? Very good, Avanishwar and Ojeshwi. It's 5 and 6. It's 5 and 6. Very good, Kanitra. Superb. Okay. Yes. Let's move on to the B here. It's a stem of a plant. Okay. We have one leaf. Okay. One leaf. In the second box, we have one stem and 2 leaves. In the third box, we have one stem, 1, 2, 3. 3 leaves. In the fourth box, we have again one stem, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves. Again, the pattern is decreasing to 1. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, it has decreased to 1. Okay, so you have done now. Very, very good. Superb, Kanna. Okay. Let's wait for our friends also. Okay, right? Yes. So again, from 1, again the pattern is increasing. See here, 1, 2, and a stem. Okay, what will be the next? Yeah, you can color it. No problem. Yes. So the next box will be coming as 3 stems and 3 leaves and 1 stem. And the next box will continue with 4 leaves and 1 stem. Yes, likewise. See here? Have you seen? Very nice, right? So see how the pattern is growing like this. Growing and decreasing. Growing and decreasing. Right? Superb. So the first one, A, we have increased the pattern and we have completed a flower. Likewise, in the B question, we have increased. They have given a pattern of increased 1. Again, we have completed the pattern by finishing it. Right? Okay, let me wait for you some time and you can finish it off. Yes, very good. Avanishwar, Sadhana, Niralaya, Nehan, Ojeshwi, Kanitra, Samudri. Very good, Kanna. You have answered correctly in the chat box. It is 3 and 4. Wonderful, Kanna. Superb. I want all my kids to sit straight and finish their work. Observe the concept carefully. Okay? You have to do one. What, Patu?
This workbook or textbook or
Workbook, Kanna. Workbook. It's in the same page. Page number 48 itself it is there. Second question. Okay, yes, hope so. You might have finished. Okay, you can fill out with first boxes and the second boxes after the class gets over. You can finish it off, right? Okay, yes. Now, shall we move on to the next slide? Yes, superb. Okay, so workbook, page number 49. Workbook, page number 49. Worksheet 3. Worksheet 3. Complete the following pattern. Complete the following pattern. Yes, again we have seen how to complete the pattern using numbers, right? We have seen the skip counting of 2s, 5s and 10s, right? Yes, likewise here also they have given the numbers and we are going to fill it out and we are going to complete the pattern. Okay, see the first one, it's 2, after 2 it's 4, 6, 8. So it's, yeah, very good Sadhana. 10, 12 and 14 is the answer. Very good Meenakshi. Superb. So it is a skip counting of 2, right? It's a skip counting of 2. Yes, 2 tables. Wow, wonderful, right? Superb Kanna. So after 8, we are going to complete with 10, 12 and 14. Okay. Yes. So now let's move on and see the very good Nandana, Ojashvi, Avanishwar, superb. Okay, now let's see the next question. It's 1, 3, 5 and what will be the answer? Very good Nandana, it's 7. Meenakshi, very good, 7, 9, 11. Nandana, Avanishwar, Ojashvi, superb. Superb. It's the odd number, right? You have learned the odd number already. Jaganvel, very good. Ojashvi, Sadhana, superb. Very good. All the odd numbers. Ramya, Nehan, wonderful Kanna, wonderful. Niralaya, Jai Krishna, Lingesh, superb Kanna, superb. I'm going to give all my dear kids a big star. A big star for all my dear kids. Superb. The star is going to smile at you. A smiley star for all my dear kids. Superb. Okay, so it's the odd number 7, 9, 11, 13. Superb. Wonderful, my dear. Superb, superb. They have given the answers for the next question also. Very good, Puviri, Avanishwar, Nandana, Ojashvi, Sadhana, superb. So it's a skip counting of tens, right? 10, 20, 30, next comes 40, 50, 60. Superb, very good. Mahavidya, Sadhana, Ojashvi. Oh, they have given the answers for the next question also. So superb, ma. Super wonderful. Let me give you a big smiley, okay? All my kids have understood the concept very well. Wonderful, super. Okay, so the next question, it's a skip counting of tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Okay, let's move on to the last question. It's 5, 10, 15. It's increasing by 5, 5. Okay, 5, 5, it's increasing. So after 5 comes 10. After 10, it's 15. After 15, it will be 20. After 20, 25. And after 25, it's 30. Superb, superb. Very good, Kanna. Wonderful. Oh, this is our answers. All my Satakshi, Ramya, Nandana, Avanishwar, Jaganvel, Meenakshi, Jai Krishna, Ojashvi, Sadhana, Mahavidya, Puviri. Superb, superb Kanna. Yes, so we have found the answers for the skip countings and for the number patterns. And this is the answer. Let me wait for a few minutes so that you can finish it off. Yes, it's a skip counting. We have already learned the skip counting of 2s, 1s, 10s, right? We have to understand the concept, how they are skipping out the numbers and they are moving forward. We have to see whether it's moving forward or backward. Sometimes they might have give numbers from big to small also. Okay, that means you have to arrange the numbers in the backward. Sometimes they may give the numbers from small to big, ascending order. So it will be, the numbers will be growing. Okay, so you have to find the difference. Always do remember that, right? Okay. Even in your assessment, you should not write only the answers. You have to write even the questions. Okay, not the top here. Not this. If they have given the exercise naming, no, complete the pattern, you need not to write this one. You can just write Roman number 1 and you can put number 1, 2, 3, 4 and you can write 2, 4, 6, 8 and the answers with the continuity. Okay. Yes. Hope so all my dears are finished. Understand the concept. If you understand the concept, it will be very easy for you to write. Yes. Very good, Ojeshwi. She's Nandana. Superb. They are giving the answers for the next question. Okay, hope so I can move on to the next page. Yes. Same page number, continuity of the first exercise itself. Complete the pattern. Okay, after 5, 10, 15, it's 1, 2, 3. So the numbers are growing again. So what will be the answer? 1, 2, 3. Very good, Meenakshi, Avanishwar, superb. It's 4, 5, 6. Wonderful. It's 4, 5, 6. It's increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Superb. Okay, now let's move on to the second. Very good, Sadhana. Next question, it's 33, 32. 33, 32. Yes, one by one it's increasing. Yes, very good, superb, Meenakshi, Sadhana. Very good. Avanishwar. I want all my kids to answer. Yes, it's 33, 32. It's how the concept is going on. Is it growing or it's moving backward? Just now I said, right? Yes, it's moving backward, right? It's a the numbers are moving in the backward direction. See here, 33, 32, 31, 31, 30, right? Backward direction. We have to count the numbers in the backward. 31, 30, then 29, 28. Superb, right? So it is very important that you have to understand the concept, how the number patterns are moving. Okay, it's in the increase in the first question. Till now we have seen in the increasing pattern, right? Now, very good. Now the numbers are coming in the decreasing order. Okay, counting backward. You have to read the question again and again. Then only you will come to know how the pattern is going or decreasing. Okay, dears. Yes, let's move on to the next question. It's 66, 55, 44. What will be the answer? Yes, very good, Meenakshi, Satvika, Puveri, Jai Krishna, Avanishwar, Krishiv, Ramya, Niralaya, Ojeshwi, Meenakshi. Superb, Kana, superb, wonderful. At the last, I will give you a big star, okay? Yes, so the numbers are again moving in the backward. 66, 55, 44. See here, the same number is repeating. See a trick here. 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4. So what will be the next? Yes, it's 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1. So we can say it as 33, 22 and 11. Yes, it's very easy, right? Jaganvel, Nandana, Ojashvi, Nehan, Sai Lakshmi, Jai Krishna, Meenakshi. Superb, Kanna. Wonderful. Yes, so it's very easy, right? Okay, now let's move on to the next question. It's the skip counting again. Let us see how it's moving. 90, 80, 70. Again, it's decreasing. Okay, so what will be the next numbers? Yes, so 986. Sorry, 987. So the next number will be 60, right? And 50, 50, and 40, 40. Yes, we have arranged the numbers, right? Superb.
And we forgot on the top.
On the top, you want me to write that also? It's very easy, right? Okay, so let me write it here. It's 4, 5, and 6. Okay.
Ma'am, I put it, ma'am.
Oh, you have to say I have completed. Completed. Okay. Say completed. Okay. Yes, superb. Finished. Very good. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Right? Oh. Wow. Next comes a colorful slide. Here in the same page number 40, workbook page number 49, worksheet 3, the second question. Cross out the box that does not follow the given pattern. So we are going to cross out which box is wrong. That's all we are going to do here. Okay, we are not going to spot the error and we are going to recorrect it, right? Okay, we are going to just cross out the box. That is what they have given. Okay, here A. Question A. So see, everything is in the butterfly form pattern. Butterfly. Red butterfly, green butterfly, red butterfly, green butterfly, green butterfly, green butterfly. So where is the wrong one here?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, so red followed with green, again red followed with green, and it should, yes, very good, Nandana, Ojashvi, superb. It is the fifth box that is wrong. So we are going to cross it out. We are going to cross out the fifth box. Why? Because there it should be colored in red, but they have given wrongly. So we are going to just cross it out the fifth box. Okay? Yes, cross out the fifth box. Okay, now let's move on to B1. See here they have given a square here. In that square, there are 4 square boxes again. Okay, it is colored with different colors. Red, green, blue, yellow. So let us see whether this color pattern follows everywhere, right? Red, green, blue, yellow. Green, red, blue, yellow. Is that correct? See in other boxes. Okay, let's see with the other box. Check with the other boxes also. Red, green, blue, yellow. Red, green, blue, yellow. Red, green, blue, yellow. So the third one is wrong, right? So we are going to cross out the third one. Yes, cross out the first one, the fifth box, and in the second one, B question, it's the third one. It's a wrong box. So we are going to cross it out. We are going to cross out the box that does not follow the pattern. Okay. Yes, hope so. You might have finished this. Yes, now let's move on to the next. Over to Tenamai ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
Yes,
ma'am.
thank you, ma'am. Yes, dears. Now we are going to do workbook exercise page number 49. Yes. Okay. Now see here, we are going to cross out the box which is not having the following pattern. Okay. There are 2 shapes in the box. Yes, there are 2 shapes in the box. Look at the pattern. The first shape we have circle, triangle. Next box, triangle, circle. So, circle, triangle, triangle, circle. Circle, triangle. The next one should be triangle, circle. Yes, very good. I'm getting answers in the chat box. Superb children. Yes. Nandana, Puvuri, Avanishwar, Jaganvel, Ojasvi. Yes, it is the fourth box. Because there we have to have triangle and a circle. Yes, the fourth box is wrong. So we will cross out the fourth one. Okay, dears? Yes. We will cross out the fourth one because the shape is not having the following pattern. Yes, fourth one we have to cross. So we will move on to the next one. Yes, 15, 14, 13. So look at the first two numbers. Is it increasing or decreasing? 15, 14. So it is going backward number, right? So it is in a decreasing order. So 15, 14, 13, 12. Next it should be 11, right? They have written 13. So fifth box is wrong. So we will cross out the 13th. Yes, 13th cross out box. Yes. Have you all arrived this answer, dears? Yes? Have you all done it correctly? Shall we move on to the next one? Yes, very good. You all have understood the patterns very clearly, right? Superb. Star for you all. Superb, dears. Yes. Okay, we will move on. Yes, Niralaya. Yes, very good children. Ma'am, your screen is not visible. Ivrani ma'am.
Sridhar sir, is my screen visible? Can any parent say is my screen visible or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It is visible. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Yes, dears.
Okay, ma'am, shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is blurred actually.
Is that so?
Yes, ma'am.
It's in system. What I can do?
Okay, ma'am. I will continue. No problem. The numbers are
Yeah.
C.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, here we have fruits, right? Now we are going to complete the pattern. Yes? Okay. Look at the first one. First number given. Yes, now clear, ma'am. Yes. Okay, now we have the first number is 1. The second apple, it is written 3. 1, 3. It is keep counting by. Yes, odd numbers. Yes, 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes, it goes on like that. So what should come there? After 1, it is jumped to 3. And from 3, it is jumping to? Yes, it is 5. And from 5, it jumps to 7. 7 is already there. So we have to write the answer. There is 5. Yes. Yes. Okay, superb. Next, we have a ball. Okay, next we have a ball. Look at the number. The first number is 32. Next 34, 36. It is jumping in an even number, right? 32, 34, 36. And
Sorry for the interruption, ma'am. Ma'am.
yes,
My dear parents,
yes.
it is not in any textbook or workbook. It is just for the practice. Okay. So observe the slide carefully and you can answer it. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can continue, ma'am.
32, 34, 36, and yes, it is jumping in an even number. Skip counting by 2's, right? 32, 34, 36, and what comes next? Can I have answers in the chat box? Yes, superb, Krishiv. Yes, Puviri. Very good. Satvika, superb. Very good. It is 38. It is 38. Okay, it is skip counting by twos. Next slide, ma'am. Yes, here we have the number pattern again. So I want all my children to answer in the chat box. Yes, the first one, 10, 20, 30, 40. Yes, I'm getting answers. Sadhana, very good. Avanishwar, Nandana, superb. Yes, it keep counting by tens. Yes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And after 60, what will come? After 60, what will come, dears? Yes, it is 70. Yes, it goes on like that. It is keep counting by tens. Yes, superb. Very good, children. Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? We have numbers in triangles. Yes, look at the number and answer in the chat box. 3, 6, 9. Yes, it is keep counting by threes, right? Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Very good. It goes on like that. After 18, what will come? After 18, my dears? Yes, it is 21. Superb. It goes on like that. Very good. Superb. Very good, children. Superb, dears. It is 12, 15, 18, dear. 18, not 17. Okay, superb. Star for you all. A big star for you all. Yes? Superb. Yes. Next, we have the number pattern. Yes? Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, it is keep counting by twos and it is even number, right? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. After 12? After 12 years? Yes, it is 14. Lingesh, very good. Superb. Okay. Meenakshi, very good. Yes. Yes, superb, Satvika. 14, 16. Yes, it goes on like that. Very good. Smiley for you all. Yes. Next, look at the one. 5, 10, 15. It goes like this. So, how should we do? After 20, what should we do? It is keep counting by fives, right? It is jumping by 5 numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yes, very good, Meenakshi. Superb. Yes, superb, children. Yes, it goes on like that. You should see the number pattern and then you have to complete it. Superb. Smiley stars. Yes. Okay, superb. And a lovely heart for you all. Very good, children. Superb. Yes. Now we have completed the patterns. Yes. So shall we have a recap on it? Yes. Patterns are all around us. Patterns are all around us. Pattern is something that repeats over and over again. Yes. It is repeated over and over again in the same patterns. Yes. We extend the pattern. Yes. By increasing. Initially, we did an activity, right? Yes. Hope you all have done it. Yes, dears. With the beads we have done, right? Beads and the thread. Yes. Orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. We have done that, right? So you all have done that patterns? Yes. Have you all enjoyed doing that? Yes. Then we saw patterns in rangolis. Then we saw patterns in dresses. Yes. On the floor, walls, clothes, and flowers also we have patterns, right? Yes. Patterns on your dresses. Yes. Patterns on your clothes. Yes, then we saw patterns with numbers. And then we saw patterns with numbers. Skip counting by twos, threes, fives, then tens. Yes. Skip counting or in increasing order or a decreasing order. Yes. Okay. We have to look at the pattern and continue the same. Yes. I hope all my lovely children are practicing two tables regularly. Yes. I know you all know it very well, but though you have to have a daily practice. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes. You want to tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 into 3 equal to 6. 2 into 4 equal to 8. 2 into 5 equal to 10. 2 into 5 7 equal to 40. 2 into 8 equal to 50. 2 into 9 equal to 280. 2 into 10 equal to 20, ma'am.
Very good, Niralya. Superb. Yes, I heard one more voice. Yes, very good, children. I want all my lovely children to practice regularly. Yes, it's time up for the session. Yes, I want all my lovely children. I know all my lovely children will tell. Yes, superb stuff for you all. Smiley, a lovely heart for you all.
For
Yes.
all my dear
Okay,
kids, heart, smiley, and boom, splash, rock stars. Race. Superb. So now, yes, Kanna, you can. Everyone can unmute and you can say the tables. No problem. Yes.
2
Mm,
2 4.
mm.
2 1 2 2 2 2
Everyone can say yes.
4
It's time for you.
5 10 2 6 12 2 12 14 2 8 16 2 9 18 2 10 20, ma'am.
Super. Very good. All my dears are rocking here. Super. Thank you.
2 3 6.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Thank
children.
you
Very
so
good.
much.
Lovely to us. Thank you, Granny ma'am. Thank you, Shikha sir.
Thank you all my dear
Bye,
parents and my
dears.
dear
Bye-bye.
students. Bye bye. Thank you, Teta ma'am. Thank you so much. Wow, Mustafa, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.